In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom forms that you can link to your departments. So we're still here within the setup for our help desk, and we're going to navigate over here to forms on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go ahead and start adding some forms. So you'll see here we've got our default form. If we click into this, we can go ahead and edit it however we need to, but I'm going to go ahead and start creating some custom forms. So to do that, I'm going to click Add a Form on the top right-hand side. And this is going to be our sales form, and I'm going to hit Save. From here, I can start customizing this form. So let's go ahead and add a field, and we will call this product purchased, and we can make it a select option. So let's have a look. There we go. Okay, select. And I'm just going to be super creative and say product 1, product 2, and a product 3. And we could say whether or not this is required. I'm going to say yes, it's required, because if you are submitting a ticket to our sales department, then please select which product you have purchased so that we have better information. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. All right, we can then go ahead and add some more fields, like please tell us, why you are returning, refunding, exchanging your purchase, and it'll be a text field, and I'm going to hit Save. And you can go ahead and add as many of these custom fields as you need to your departments. Once you have done all of that, you can go ahead and hit Save. And now I want to go ahead and link this to a department. So you'll see here the sales form isn't visible to contacts until linked to a department via the setup view. So you can click here, and that's going to take you to departments, or you can simply click on departments on the right hand side. I'm going to click into my sales department, and I'm going to choose my sales form over here, and I'm going to hit Save. So now that sales form is linked to my sales department. Again, if I come here to forms and I click into the sales form, you'll see that warning is gone because this is linked to my sales form. I can do the same for my technical as well. So we can go ahead and say that this is my technical form, or we'll just say it's technical and hit Save. And again, I'm just going to leave this as is. I'm just going to link that to my technical department, and there we go. So that is how you can start linking those forms that you've created to the relevant departments. So now if a user goes to submit a help desk ticket, I'm just going to navigate over to my website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left, and I'm just going to enable preview mode. And I'm just going to quickly apply a template to this page. So we're just going to go with this one and apply it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and publish those changes. And now I'm just going to navigate to the live version of my website to display these forms. And I'm just logged in as a user. And if I want to go ahead and submit a support ticket, I'm going to come to Account, Support, and then I can submit a ticket. I can then select my department, so it can be sales. I would then choose my ticket type, so it's an exchange. And I can say I want to exchange my product for a different one, and I'm just gonna copy that, paste it in here. You can then see that I can choose which product I have purchased, and I can say it's not what I want. I can then go ahead and submit that help desk ticket, and when I navigate over to my admin side, and I've got that notification up here, so I can click on that. Bob Berger has submitted a ticket. I can click into that, and you can see the ticket that's been submitted and all of those custom answers that have been provided. So that is how you can link those custom forms to your departments. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up contact forms. I'll see you there.